Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cut a best sleeve, and to do so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead to fold your fabric into four, because we are going to be cutting the two sleeves together. And after folding your fabric into four, make sure that your fabric is well aligned together. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead to place my tape on the upper part of my fabric like this, and go ahead to mark cap height of 4 inches. So after marking my cap height of 4 inches, I'm going to draw a line across the point like this. Then I'll place my tape on the upper part of my fabric again and go ahead to mark my sleeve length. So for this tutorial, I'll be making use of the whole length of this fabric. And after that, I'm going to come to this line, which is the cap height line, and go ahead to mark my bicep measurement divided by 2, which is 7. Then I'll add 1.5, which is going to serve as my seam allowance. Then after that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a slanted line from this point to meet the tip of your fabric. After that, I'm going to go ahead to measure this line and mark the midpoint. So I'm going to measure what I have here and go ahead to mark the midpoint. After which, I'm going to take my curve ruler and go ahead to draw out my armhole shape.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase.
So after that, the next thing to do is to come to the down part. So on this M line, I'm going to mark 13 inches. So depending on how wide you want your sleeve to be, you can decide to reduce the measurement or increase the measurement. But for me, I'll be making use of 13 inches. After which, I'm going to connect it like this, just as you see me doing. After connecting it, you're going to come to this folded part here and go up by 1 inch. After which, I'm going to place my curve ruler on it like this and go ahead to curve it out. So after that, the next thing to do is to go ahead to cut out our fabric.
The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours.
This is the final look of our sleeve. So guys, if this video was helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. Also, do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this.